Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. So in this lecture what we'll be doing is simple. We need to connect this button with this label so that when you click it, whatever is inside this text box should be displayed right here. So let us go back to our code here, and I think we have everything that we need. We have already imported everything we need. Let us locate our button. This is our Q push button, and with our tooltip. So what we need to do is to just come here. Let us create a space. So here, what we need to do, we're going to connect this button and the function that we are going to trigger the button with the label. Okay. So when that function is triggered, it is linked with the label. So let us put this function here. So let us say self button dot clicked. So if this button is clicked, it should be connected. So connect bracket. So we are going to connect it with this function. Let us call it respond. That's our function. Our function is called respond. So let us go and create the function, so that this function will respond to the click of that button. Let us go where functions are found here. So let us put our last function, create a space, div. Our function is called respond. Respond. Let us pass self here. Now, so this function is going to get information. This is our variable, get info. So it's going to get information from our QLine edit, meaning the QLine edit is this one. Entry is going to get information from what the user entered. So we're going to get information from our entry. So get information dot self entry dot text, whatever typed by the user on the QEdit line, we are going to store it on get information. Then after doing so, we are going to print this same information. We are going to print it. We're going to print this information, get info, print get info, and at the same time we are going to display it on our label. So self dot label dot set, we need to set the text to whatever the user has typed. So set text to get info, whatever the information which has been put by the user. So this is our code. So we're going to get text. After getting it, we're going to put it on our label. This print text, if it works well, it should do print here on our console. So let us run our program here. Okay, so let us type hi Mr. Fanuel Mapue. Then you press the button here. As you can see, hi Mr. Fanuel Mapue. So what we have done here, we have successfully connected this label here and our entry or our QLine edit. I think that's all for the lesson. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson. Bye bye.